Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Pro the Fixer. You got your boy Clayton Fernandez, and today I'm going to show you how to add a song to your video or any music to your video using YouTube. First, you go to YouTube. Then you go to YouTube Studio by clicking on your channel's logo, and over here, YouTube Studio. So then you go on videos. I'll show you this one. So you go on videos, you can just see all my other videos. So then you go head on to, you click audio library. Yeah, over here. So then from here you can take music, like if you want to choose a video from there, you can put the song. But if you want to do it from here, you have to go on details. Then you go to editor. You have to just choose any video. Then over here you'll find editor, like below analytics you'll find editor. Then you click editor. Then you scroll down, and then you'll get this instrument note thing. So then you press it. You click on it. Click on it. So then you press audio. You have to click the arrow, then they'll give an audio thing. Then you can search tracks, you can I'll say action AC. Let me just put in capital for it to look cool. ACATION. Okay, search. Oh yeah, I spell it wrong. I'll just play funny. Okay. So then let's try this. So I'll just be a little bit quiet. I think it might be too loud. So let's see. I don't think you can hear, because I can hear it. So once again, I'll just hear this and I'll unpause the video. My battery is low. Oh yeah, so then I'll just press this thing to add to my video. Then I can hear it from here. Nice. So I'll pause this. Then I'll just scroll down, and then you'll find save changes. Then when you click save changes, while edits proceed, user will continue to see the current version of your video. This may take a while. Yeah, so I don't know, but then you press save. 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 Okay, it's saved. It's getting a little bit loaded. It's saved. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will get amazing notifications from the channel Pro the Fixer. Signing out. And it's even raining.